Dr. Taba Reddy, who have transformed the corporate health sector in this country and who is the pioneer in corporate health, as you all know. And it is not only Delhi Apollo Group as such is committed to clinical excellence. I would also like to share with you that Apollo Delhi has also become the biggest transplant center in the world. We have performed more than 1,300 transplants last year. I am really thankful to the jury, to SIMS, and the medical company for this recognition. And thank you very much for attending.
Excuse me, all of you. Can you please? Wait. Okay, video. Okay, everybody over here. Oh, wait. Thank you.
Hello, myself Dr. Monica Bhatia, Managing Director UBM Medica. This is the fourth year of the Healthcare Management Conference. It was a great success for the last 3 years. The main objective of this conference is to provide a comprehensive knowledge platform and to provide practical learning a platform for the delegates where they can discuss their real life experiences and their case studies. So we have delegates from all over the region and they get a chance to interact with each other and to catch whatever the others are doing and to apply the same innovation and creativity to their hospitals. After 3 years of the successful conference, this year we decided to facilitate the various hospitals and people who contribute to the healthcare sector. So these are people who often go unnoticed. So we decided that this is the time to give healthcare excellence awards to these people. These awards, I would like to say that the awards are, of course, very motivating for the winners. They increase their credibility and they boost their morale. The morale of the whole all hospital employees gets boosted by this. It also gives value to their public relations. But moreover, other than just the winners, they are also quite inspiring for the rest of the participants and even for people who have not participated. Because when they get the message of the winners and those messages are inspiring for them to apply the same creativity and innovation to their hospitals. So, and most importantly, it gives a chance for everybody to celebrate. The healthcare community, which is otherwise a little boring and a job of responsibility, also deserve recognition and such ceremonies where we can appreciate their excellence. So for keeping that in mind, and also the fact that these days the consumers are participating more and more in their decisions regarding healthcare. And the healthcare sector has become a highly hyper competitive sector, and delivering good services within cost effectivity is becoming very challenging. So this conference and these awards aim at giving hospital administrators and people of the hospital that basic skill and knowledge to handle this competitive environment. Thank you.
Who got the first hospital award?
The best hospital award went to Indraprasth Apollo Hospitals, New Delhi. The process, we had a foolproof process of deciding the winners. So we invited nominees from various hospitals. So after the nominations came in, there was a process of going through the nomination forms, which had both objective and subjective questions. And after that, there was a jury, which finally decided the
How
awards.
many members do you just select the committee members, select the number one hospital? How many doctors? And आपके कमिटी में कितने member doctors?
In the jury, we had 5 members in the jury. We had 5 members in the jury who decided. Yes, of course, the decision also depends on the nominations that came in. And there might be other hospitals who would be equally good, but we had decided from the nomination forms that had come in. And since this was the first year, we got good response, but I'm sure now that the word spreads, by next year, hospitals all over India will be participating and the nominations are going to increase majorly.
And how many awards declared?
Total, we had 15 categories and we declared 15 awards today.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे जिसको जिसको अवार्ड मिला उनको क्या शुभकामनाएं देना चाहेंगे?
जिनको ये अवार्ड मिला है, आई वुड लाइक टू से, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला कि दिस इज़ अ हाइपर कॉम्पिटिटिव इन्वायरमेंट एंड कंज्यूमर्स भी आजकल बहुत पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं अपनी डिसीजन मेकिंग में कि उनको कौन से हॉस्पिटल में जाना है, किस चीज़ के लिए जाना है. ये अवार्ड से जिन विनर्स को उनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी बढ़ती है लोगों के बीच में, और उनके सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ का भी मॉरल बूस्ट होता है. सो दे शुड यूज़ दीज अवार्ड्स टू मोटिवेट देयर एंटायर टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स अबव एवरीथिंग टू सेलिब्रेट. हेल्थ केयर कम्युनिटी कभी सेलिब्रेट नहीं करती है, उनको सेलिब्रेट भी करना चाहिए.
और एक अलग सा क्वेश्चन, आप हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट कॉन्फ्रेंस और इतना अवार्ड देते हैं. अब आजकल हॉस्पिटल में हार्ट सर्जरी ये इतना मुझे मालूम नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी क्या आम लोगों को जो है इतना ऑपरेशंस के इसके दाम है रेट बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, तो जिसको छोटे पीपल जो कम कमाई करते हैं, तो उनके बारे में क्या सोचे कि कम. अभी आमिर खान ने बीच में जो डॉक्टर के बारे में जो किया था कि यहाँ जाके जो ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी का इतने कम रेट में है, तो उसके बारे में आपने क्या सोचा?
हाँ बिल्कुल, हाँ मैं ये बिल्कुल आपका सवाल बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा सवाल है कि जो लोग अफोर्ड नहीं करते उनको अच्छी मेडिकल सर्विसेज के लिए वो क्या करें. मैं जहाँ तक मैं समझ सकती हूँ यही आप पूछ रहे हैं. तो एग्जैक्टली मैं समझती हूँ कि मेरा ये जो अवार्ड्स का पूरा करने का के पीछे ये भी कारण है कि जिस हॉस्पिटल्स में अच्छी सर्विसेज हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं है वो महंगी हैं, अच्छी सर्विसेज हैं, वो भी पब्लिक को पता चलना चाहिए. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आगे आगे सारे छोटे बड़े सब हॉस्पिटल्स इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करें, और ताकि कोई भी, ये हमारे क्राइटेरिया नहीं है कि सिर्फ बड़ा हॉस्पिटल ही जीत सकता है. इट इज़ द क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस एंड ऑल्सो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस. हमारे क्राइटेरिया में ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव भी होना चाहिए हॉस्पिटल. तो वो हॉस्पिटल्स के नाम भी जब आगे आएंगे तो पेशेंट्स उन हॉस्पिटल्स को भी चूज़ कर पाएंगे जहाँ पे वो ज़्यादा कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवली अपना काम करा सकें.
Thank you very much. Sorry for the.
No.
Okay, start.
Today, I am very happy to be with UBM and CIMS team at CIMS Healthcare Award ceremony at Mumbai. It was a very well organized event with good participation from Indian healthcare organizations. CIMS is a authentic and source of information for medical personnel, especially in pharmacology, and I can see in coming time this company can play a very big role, especially I can say in patient safety, because I come from a patient safety organization, and patient safety related matters में एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट इशू है मेडिकेशन मैनेजमेंट और हाउ टू प्रिवेंट द मेडिकेशन एरर्स. And I can say that I have few plans which I am going to share with Monica ji, and how they can contribute in spreading awareness and education among the healthcare professionals to prevent and to reduce the medication errors. How to educate people, how to educate patients, how to educate doctors, how to educate the nursing professionals, paramedicals, how to popularize prescription audits. There are many, many things which can be done, and I have all the best wishes that this company should grow stronger to do more work in patient safety area. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I will patient safety workshop also coming up in December. This year it will be the second chapter of that workshop. We started it last year, and with the support of Dr. Gayatri, I'm sure that we make it a big platform, and we will going to be having a big workshop this year.
And where it is?
It is going to be in Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yeah.
Not fixed a place.
We have not fixed the place yet, but it will be in December in Mumbai.
And what for you?
And no, and of course we will. This hospital management conference is an annual event, and hope to see you all again on a bigger, grander platform next year.
तो किस हिसाब से और क्या क्या यानी कैसे आप डिसाइड किया
इसी इंग्लिश चलेगा ना
या इंग्लिश हिंदी थोड़ा
इसी वी हैड फॉर्म्ड आवर ओन नॉर्म्स गाइडलाइंस एंड extensive we have formed our own norms guidelines. We have involved doctors. He is Dr. Shinde.
या
He is head of the KM hospital. Along with him, other doctors also be involved. And then we contacted all the hospitals across India. Then we had given that form. That form was very extensive form. These hospitals have to fill up that forms, everything, and they have to declare what machines they have, everything and all that. Then our team, random selected, and they visited from the hospital. Then jury was there. Jury, 3/4 members, all top doctors. They decided, and accordingly the list was declared.
how many hospitals involved in our company?
About 75 hospitals. 75 hospitals all over India. Yeah. And that's it, yes.
आप क्या बता सकेंगे आपके आपने हॉस्पिटल ये जो अवार्ड दिए उसके बारे में आप कैसे बोलेंगे आपको कैसे लगे
Okay. The range of award covers the domains of excellence which are expected in a hospital. Hospitals are many, but not all hospitals are having quality functions and quality services. So the focus was more on assessment of the quality component of the hospital services amongst the competitors. Amongst the competitors, we emphasized on the total number of services which are included in the hospital, the total number of doctors and support staff which are working towards each department in that hospital, and then the documentation part. So in a brief we can say that the domains which predominantly included in the assessment were structural domains, functional domains, and documentation domains. Plus there was an added component of whether this hospital has any special achievements, any past awards. In addition, are there any unique services in this hospital which are not present usually in any other hospital? And second, lastly, it also included whether there was any welfare scheme, whether there was any collaboration with government agencies as far as hospital services are concerned. So those hospitals which had these unique characteristics, in addition to what is expected with the routine hospital services, were obviously the best choice in the awards.
ये 75 पार्टिसिपेंट में आपको बेस्ट हॉस्पिटल बेस्ट जो क्या अवार्ड्स हैं वो डिक्लेयर में कितनी दिक्कतें आई
बहुत दिक्कतें आए लॉट ऑफ बिकॉज द हॉस्पिटल में बी वेरी गुड बट required forms some of them not filled, so we have to contact them, talk to them. Some of them they don't even understand what is this form and all that. They may be very good, they have every equipment, all those things are there. You know, these things to be told and all that. Then only when they give the documents duly supported by evidence of the equipment, then only the jury has gone into this and decided. It went on almost 2 months, doctor? Yeah, 2 months. 2 months, both intensive talking, interacting, telephone, this, all these things should take place. This is the first beginning. Next year we are going in a bigger way. Yeah. Yes.
दिल्ली का जो हॉस्पिटल है व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द
इंद्रप्रस्थ Apollo.
इंद्रप्रस्थ
Apollo.
फर्स्ट कौन से बेसिक के ऊपर आपने ये किया बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल्स है अभी बॉम्बे में लीलावती है सब है फिर
एक मिनट.
Foremost,
Sorry.
you want to add?
No, he is not. It is not necessary Leelavati
नहीं, वो नहीं,
because they have not participated. Among the participated, we have declared. ऐसा है ना? That is the thing. Yeah.
Naturally.
वो जो इंद्रप्रस्थ हॉस्पिटल है वो कौन से बेस के ऊपर ज़्यादा आपने उसको फर्स्ट नंबर रैंक दिया ऐसा
See, amongst the competitors, amongst those who are entrants,
Yeah.
the functions and services of the hospital were assessed in terms of an objective scoring. So, for example, if a particular service is there in the hospital, is there any evidence for their claim? And if they have submitted, then the score was given fully. Either it is 0 or 1.
Yeah.
So, this particular hospital has scored well overall. And in addition, whether there are any unique features. So, yes, it had unique features in terms of already they were possessing awards previously, and their chain of expansion was evident, and the quality of services, the recent advances, the equipment available were all in place. So hence there was no other option but to select that hospital amongst all other hospitals who were entrants for this.
See, based on overall parameters, हर एक parameters को marks दिया गया. Overall, who scores best, they are selected. That is how. Yeah.